Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Thursday, October 10th of 2019. And here are our morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, just a reminder that there is no school tomorrow on Friday or the following Monday in observance of Columbus Day. So no school Friday, tomorrow, and Monday. So you have a 4-day weekend. Teachers, not so much. You only have a 3-day weekend. You have to come to work still on Friday. But still, a 3-day weekend is not a bad thing. And then also, if you're involved with Young Rembrandts, that is happening today after school. And for our birthdays to announce, we have Gabriela Camacho and Gianna Camacho. Their birthday is today, so happy birthday to you. And then some upcoming birthdays over the weekend. We have Aubrey Paul, Bryson Hout. So those birthdays will be happening over the weekend then. And then we have a whole bunch of birthdays happening early on next week. So happy birthday to all of you. I hope you have a great day. Your lunch choices for today would be beef and cheese nachos, garlic cheese flatbread, or turkey and cheese sandwich. And today we are still focusing on anti-bullying. So we had some students here from first grade. Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our pause expectations, and today I have 3 students here from first grade and Mr. Zaremski's class who have been talking about things about not being a bully to others, so they came up with things making sure that you do not do to other students.
No punching, no kicking. Don't make fun of other people when they fall.
That's great advice. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much, girls. Appreciate that. And of course, since it is the end of the week, I thought I would do a riddle for the day. So the riddle for today would be, where can you find cities, towns, and shops, and also streets, but no people? So where can you find cities, towns, shops, and streets, but no people? If you know the answer to the riddle, you will find me, but don't interrupt instruction time. You'll see me out and about. You can ask me or tell me what you think the answer would be at that time. First three people I get prizes. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you, and remember, we're still doing our anti-bullying posters, so if you have a poster that you created, just get it to my office then. By the end of today, we're going to look at hanging those up next week. At this time, let's please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, girls. Great job with doing that. And boys and girls, let's have a great last day of the week. So it's only a 4-day week this week it had been, so it's been a blast celebrating anti-bullying things with you. And guess what? You get a 4-day week next week too, because you don't have school on Monday. So have a wonderful break, and I'll see all of you a little bit later on today.